What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to rename your router on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In your Start menu, search for Control Panel and hit Enter. On this window, navigate to the Network and Internet section. From here, head to Network and Sharing Center. Here, you can see the list of all your active routers as well as their corresponding names. In order to rename your router on a Windows PC, open up your Start menu. Search for secpol.msc and hit Enter. In the Local Security Policy window, select Network List Manager Policies in the left side pane. Here, under Network Name, you'll be able to change your network name. Double-click to open this settings window. Under Name, check the Name option to activate the Name dialog box. Type your new network name, hit Apply, and then click OK. Your Windows router name will soon be updated across your system, and you will shortly see its updated name in the Control Panel's Network and Sharing Center. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.